If you are struggling to connect apps, send data, or automate your Shopify store, this video will fix that. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to make your first Shopify API call step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. No confusing code, no advanced setup, just a simple method you can follow and start using today. By the end of this video, you will be able to send and receive data from your Shopify store like a pro. So let's get started. Right now I am at Shopify documentation, GraphQL admin API reference, where we need to authenticate our request to make the API calls in Shopify. For the authentication, we need X Shopify access token. In my other video, I have explained how you can generate the Shopify access token. So that is very simple. You make the API call to your store and you will be able to get this Shopify access token, which has the right customer, right inventory, right order, and right product scope. We can use this access token in our API call. So we need to make the API call at this endpoint. We will be using the GraphQL API call. So let's copy this URL and paste that over here. And this will be post request. So we need to replace the store name with this one. So our store name is Wixo checkout. So let's copy this store name and replace that with over here. So I will replace this one. Okay, so we will be sending the request at wixocheckout.myshopify.com/admin/API/ the version of the API, which is 2026-04, and the GraphQL.json. We will be making the post request. So if you send a request without the access token, you will receive the error. Unspotted content type header, we use application JSON. So let's go to the headers, and content type will be application JSON, application/JSON. So if we send the request again, this time we will have a different error: required a missing parameter or invalid query. So we need to pass the Shopify access token. So let's copy this Shopify access token, and over here we will add the X Shopify token which we generated over here. So let's copy that and paste that over here. Now we can make the API calls, but we need to send the request in body. What kind of data we need? So in the body, we will be sending GraphQL request, which we can copy from here. So let's copy this, copy the GraphQL query, and what it does, it will get products, first 3 products, and we need only ID and the title. So let's try this query. If we run this query, and after few seconds, you will be able to see the data. So we have the ID and the title and the first 3 products. You can change the product quantity. For example, we need only 1 product. So if you send the request again, you will be able to fetch only the first product. And you will see we have only 1 product. So let's go back to the documentation. If you would like to make the mutation, for example, if you want to create a new product, So go to the documentation and search for product, and here is query, and in the invitation we will have product bundle, product create, this one. So if you want to create a product with the with media, you can simply copy this mutation query, copy this query, and go back over here and paste the query over here. So this is the query, and we need to add the variable as well. So let's copy the variable. These are the variables, so let's change. This is from API call, and now if I send this query, we will have a new product in our Shopify store. So we get the response. If I go here in the Wixo checkout and click on the products, and you will see we have a new product. Let's reload that again. We have a new product, Helmet Nova. This is from the API call, and you can see this is a new product which we just created with the help of the API. So this is how you can make the API calls by using Postman and using the GraphQL API. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.